Hi, this is Kagri Music Tutor. So we continue our series on the bar chords, and now this is the third of the series. We're going to be talking about the C bar chord, the C bar chord. So you can see the C chord without the bar included on the screen. So basically, just like the D chord that we treated previously, is also a three-finger pattern. Three-finger pattern. Of course, almost all the 6 strings of the guitar are used for this pattern, but it's also basically three-finger pattern, and that's why we could have the liberty to use our index finger as the bar when we play this chord. So for the purpose of this video, we are going to be using the C major chord, the C major chord. So let's start. The C major chord is placed like this. So we have, you can see the nomenclature on the screen. So we use the 5th, the 4th, and then the 2nd. You play on the 5th, the 4th, and the 2nd. And then you play on the 3rd, the 2nd, and the 1st fret respectively. That's the C chord. Now, after the C, what do we have? We have C sharp. So in order to get C sharp, we need to use our bar for the 1st fret, hold the bar, and then just repeat the same pattern with the other fingers. 2nd, 4th, and the 5th. That's C sharp. So in case maybe you find out that you are playing the guitar and someone is singing on C sharp, this is actually what you can do. So you use this C bar chord. So I'm going to show a couple of the C bar chords on different keys, and then we'll bring this video to an end. So I've shown the C sharp with the 1st fret as the bar. If we slide our fingers to the right, then we have, after C sharp, we have D. You remember this D? So it's the same thing. On the 2nd fret, you just take your bar, you get the same chord. After D, we go to D sharp major, and then we go to E. And F. And then the last one, I'll just have to jump 2 frets and go to G. So go to G. So that's on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. On fret number 7, you have your bar for you to have the G. So that's basically the C pattern, especially C major bar chords. So please do not forget to like and subscribe to our videos, and we appreciate every comment. We try our best to reply on the comments if you have any questions. Thank you. Peace.